Students, today we will study the human evolution, the subunit from the topic origin and evolution of life. The human evolution have evolved from the shrew-like animals. This process began in the Pliocene epoch. During this period, the reduced forests forced the arboreal mammals to adapt the life on the land. Here, the special characteristics acquired by man in the course of evolution, it took place in the evolution of man, which include increase in the size and complexity of brain and intelligence. There was increase in cranial capacity. The changes observed were these mammals, they showed bipedal locomotion, means they used to walk on two legs, hind limbs. Opposable thumb, erect posture, shortening of forelimbs and lengthening of hind limbs. There was development of chin which was lacking in the evolution process. Broadening of pelvic girdle, development of lumbar curvature, their social and cultural development, सामाजिक आणि सांस्कृतिक विकास, articulated speech, the skill, art, the development of tools, etc. These were the major changes which took place in the evolution process of man. Here, this chart makes us to understand the fossil records. The 7 fossil records were maintained during the evolutionary process. Here, step by step we will study. The first fossil record was termed as the Dryopithecus. Dryopithecus showed ape-like appearance. They were found in Lake Victoria in the South Africa. Also, similar fossils were obtained in Himachal Pradesh, Harityalanga. They were found during the Miocene epoch, before 20 to 25 million years ago. There were no skeletal features. The posture was semi-erect. No cranial capacity was observed. The special characteristics or the special features, they fossils record showed close similarity with the chimpanzees. Second fossil record was Ramapithecus. They were man-like in appearance. They were found, or site of the fossil record was Shivalik Hills in India, in the Himalayan ranges. Similar fossils were observed in Kenya. They were found during Miocene and early Pliocene epoch, means 14 to 12 million years ago. Their posture was erect. There were no special features or characteristics. Third fossil record was called as the Australopithecus. They showed the connecting link between ape and man, means the transitional stage between ape and man. They were obtained in Tung in South Africa, Ethiopia, countries like Ethiopia and Tanzania. They were found during the late Pliocene and early Pleistocene epoch, between 4 to 1.8 million years ago. They were less than 4 feet. They grow up to 4 feet. The jaws were large in size. The face usually observed was prognathous from the fossil record. Chin was generally absent. They showed the lumbar curve. The posture was upright. Cranial capacity was observed 450 to 600 cranial capacity. The special features observed were man with ape brain, man-like appearance, and the brain was like that of the chimpanzees or orangutans. Next fossil record is Homo habilis. They were nicknamed. The nickname of Homo habilis was handyman because they used to prepare tools. They were obtained from Olduvai Gorge in South Africa and Tanzania. They were found during late Pliocene and early Pleistocene, before 2.5 to 1.4 million years ago. The lower jaw was lightly built. They were modern man-like. They had modern man-like dentition. Teeth dentition was according to like that of modern man. Molars were smaller in size. The posture was erect. Cranial capacity was 650 to 800. They did not eat meat. They used to prepare tools from the stones, the hunting tools from the stones. Therefore, they were called as the handyman. Next, fossil record was termed as the Homo erectus in this evolution process. Appearance was ape-like man, ape-man-like. They were obtained from Java and Peking in China. They were found in the middle of Pleistocene, that means 1.5 million years ago. Height was observed 5 feet from the fossil record. They had prognathous face. Jaws were massive, broad. Chin was absent. They showed prominent eyebrows, ridges. Posture was erect. Cranial capacity was found 900. They used to eat meat, flesh. They used fire for cooking their food. After hunting the animals, the flesh they used to cook and then they used to eat. They were omnivorous. Omnivorous used to feed on plants, animals, all type of food. Vegetarian, non-vegetarian. So omnivorous. Neanderthal man was the next fossil record. They were advanced prehistoric Adimano, prehistoric Adimano. They were found in the Neanderthal Valley in Germany during late Pleistocene, means 1 lakh to 40,000 years ago. They were heavily built. They showed prominent eyebrow ridges, slanting or low forehead. Chin was absent. Thigh bones outerly curved. Therefore, they were very active in their movements. They showed erect posture. Cranial capacity was large, 1400 cranial capacity. They used to bury their dead ones by digging the pits. Funeral programs. They used to construct the flint tools. They used to cover their body with the help of animal hides. They used to kill the animals and the skin of the animal was used to cover their body. So animal hides. And finally, the last fossil record was called the Homo sapiens. The appearance like the modern man, like that of us, they were found in the Africa. Their posture was erect. The cranial capacity was as usual large. Means the brain size was, the brain might weigh up to 1400 grams. They developed distinct races, रूढी परंपरा त्या काळात त्यांनी विकसित केल्या. They developed the cave art. गुहा असतात, त्या गुहेमध्ये जाऊन पेंटिंग्स, कार्विंग्स त्या ठिकाणी करणं, केव आर्ट आपण ज्याला म्हणतो, पिक्चरच्या रूपामध्ये किंवा मूर्तीच्या रूपामध्ये. म्हणजे स्किल्ड वर्क वॉज डेव्हलप्ड ड्यू टू द ऑपोजिबल थंब. Opposable thumb in the sense the thumb is opposite to all other remaining fingers. Before the 18,000 years ago. So this in this way the human evolution took place, and it is involved in our syllabus to make us understand how the human have been evolved. That's all for today. Thank you.